All right, doing a box of Optic Fast Break for Magic Penny. Good luck, Ruben. What do you guys want to try to do then? I have more Prism Mosaic. I have more Crown Royale. I have a box of Spectra. There is a serial number break in the store with Spectra and Cornerstone. What do you guys want to do with Mosaic? We can do the 3-team draft. So 3-team draft. If you guys want to draft your own teams on Mosaic, it'll be $60. Snake draft. You guys draft your own teams. Man, Alex, I should have kept that Lonnie towel for myself. So I could put it in the store if you guys want to go through the store and do it, or if you guys want to just pay direct, or if we even have enough people. I don't even know if we have enough people. So Paul is down. Anybody else down? All right, we got Kyle Kuzma, oranges. Boom! Jeremy Lin. Case hit right there, as Irving would say. Jason Tatum, Chris Middleton, Dylan Brooks, Kemba Walker, Kyrie Irving, Onobogu, Walt Frazier, Caleb Swanigan, Siakam. Siakam, man, I've been watching him play some pickup ball. He's been killing. All right, OG, Steven Adams, Tyler Dorsey, Darren Collison, Josh Jackson, Jason Tatum, Zhou Qi, Klay Thompson, Jonathan Isaac, Pau Gasol. Got Paul Westphal, Giannis. Let's see, we've got Lonzo Ball, Kevin Durant. Autograph is Derek White. San Antonio Spurs, Derek White autograph. And blue out of 50, 1 out of 50. That is George Hill. We got Wayne Selden, Drew Holiday, Tyler Lydon, Grant Hill, Ivan Rabb, Shaquille O'Neal, Markelle Fultz, and we got Juwan Evans, Yabusele, and Jason Kidd. Fast break prism. All right, that is it. Thanks again, Ruben. Appreciate it. Peace.